Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we actually have a Milwaukee M12 set of drill and impact. Now this is Milwaukee, and I know people who know me is probably going to question, am I switching to Milwaukee from DeWalt? No, I'm not. But this is something that DeWalt doesn't make. And unfortunately, this is exactly why I have, a whole set of packouts, thousands of dollars worth of packouts, because DeWalt wasn't there, when the packouts actually first came out, So desperately, I kind of had to go to, Milwaukee. And so I would pick the Milwaukee over the Tough System because I really like it. But with that being said, the whole reason why we can't really switch from brand to brand is because of the battery. People who invest on these batteries are very, very expensive, so you can't really swap out brands whenever you want to. So this M12 is, kind of like the reason why I even got this is because this is a whole different type of batteries, And with details on stuff, I'll get to that in a minute. Let's actually open this up and see what we got. So it comes in a nice little bag here. There's nothing else in the box. It's completely empty. So it's a very flat and funny looking bag. But in this bag, we have everything in here. It kind of folds up very nicely, Got like some rebars in here, so it keeps the whole bag in nice shape. And like, when we open it up, it's like a little box, It's pretty nice. There we go. We got a bunch of paperwork with all the information in it. Wait, what? Customize, track, manage? Wait, what? You can connect these? Wow, that is cool. I had no idea. Wow, that is crazy. You can actually go to the app, MilwaukeeTool.com, I guess, or you can scan it. Okay, I'll figure this out on my own, but wow, I had no idea you can do this, but that is awesome. Like, imagine losing your tools. Like, I never lost any of my tools or got stolen or anything, but my friend actually has, so this would be a complete game changer. This is amazing. I will definitely try this out and leave you guys some information in the description so you guys can actually check that out as well. But that is awesome. Like, I really like that feature. If somebody steals my, stuff, like, it would be really heartbreaking. This is the, charger. It's pretty massive. This is what it looks like. You can charge only one battery at a time, unfortunately. But I'm pretty sure you can get like a charger that can charge multiple at once. But yeah, it got a pretty long cord and everything, and it's a 2-prong. So, you could pretty much charge this anywhere you want. Leave that to a side. Then we've got the drill here. Now the drill is, before impacts came out, this is, obviously all everybody knew, really, This is all everybody used. This is all everybody used, So with a drill, you can have multiple different, gears. So this one goes up to 18, and then the drill, So the drill is like until the, the drill basically bottoms out its power. And then there's also this 1 and 2 selector as well on top here. So, you have multiple different ranges of, drilling power. This thing is heavy. This is like as heavy as my, probably more heavy than my DeWalt drill. But, again, this is the compactability of this thing, it's just being able to, form in such small piece that you can actually carry around with you without feeling like you're carrying a bunch of power tools, you know what I mean? So that's like the only reason why I even, kind of considered these, because I even like walked to the DeWalt section just to make sure that they didn't come up with something like this. But, the only thing I found was they're like, it was a regular, 20 volt, impact gun, but it was just like really tiny, body, tiny body. But yeah, other than that, it was again, big battery and everything. This is something like, it's like a pocket thing, you could just like, screw things real quick. So I basically wear a harness when I work, and this is something I can like, clip onto my belt, and, it'll be pretty nice because it actually comes with, really nice clips here. And, this is M12 again, so, smaller battery, I don't have to carry like a big DeWalt battery. And if I'm just, using, because I'm not gonna carry this all the time because it's a drill. I don't really use drills. Even my holes, like, like if I need to make a little, hole and everything, I still have those bits as a 1/4 inch, so, it fits in my impact. So that's all I really use. I keep my, drill in the car. But, the impact here was like $70 or $80. And this entire set was, $99 with batteries and everything included, So, I was getting a whole drill with it. So that's kind of why I went for this. But, I don't really need a drill, But yeah, it's pretty nice. This thing has all the modes and everything. And I believe like this is going to be powerful enough to like, kind of do what I do. You know what I mean? I'm not building a whole house. So, I don't, even again, if I do, my DeWalts are, in my van. So, this is just for like, for me to carry all day is kind of what I got it for. Not even that, but this one, which I saved for last. But this is basically the impact, It's kind of heavier than, I kind of hoped. Because my, my DeWalt one it might be lighter than this, now that I think about it. It's way lighter than this. It's like a whole metal head here, and it's big too, I actually have 2 DeWalt impact guns. One of them was from Lowe's. It was a little bit more, compact than the one I was previously using. But, they have a lot of power, they're very powerful, but, I use that for everything, But this thing, it's heavy, you know what I mean? It's pretty heavy. It's heavier than than the DeWalt ones, DeWalt 12 volt, 20 volt ones. This is the 12 volt battery, is what we were talking about. This is what that is. So we got 2 of these 12 volt batteries, So you can keep both of these devices plugged in, which is really nice. So let's see. This is kind of what it looks like. It looks a little funny, but yeah, this is the battery. There's no indicator on the battery, but I believe you can check that on the drill here because I see some, LED marks here. Let's actually put one in and see what we find out. Okay, LED light turns on the spot. Yeah, so we got little indicators here. So this is reversible. Both devices are reversible. So you can turn this back and forth. I'm pretty sure like I saw something even smaller than this. So I feel like I picked up something that was on sale because it's old or something like that. This doesn't feel, this is not brushless, is it? It's not. Because if it was brushless, it was going to say it, right? Yeah, so I guess okay, so, the whole reason with, DeWalt is like, it sticks out like this. Again, that's kind of like a safety feature really because, let's say you're just going through, studs, which is something I do like all day. If you're going through studs and stuff, trying to make holes for like, pulling wires or whatever, and like, you're making a bunch of holes, so, you go on this way, what happens sometimes is like, you can, like you keep on going and boom, you just like, go through the hole and, smash your knuckles, So I feel like the battery sticking out like that is definitely a safety feature because I always like, even train my, employees to hold the drill like this and not like this. So, if it does go through, with how you're expecting for it, which happens all the time, then your fingers are safe because, you got this and you got this. So your fingers are in the middle. So you're kind of safe because it bashes onto the battery and the head of the drill. But that's something you're losing on this. And I don't really like this. This seems very underpowered and it feels whack and it's very, very heavy. So unfortunately, I'm going to be returning this because I was kind of excited about this because I thought this was going to be a lot more smaller because that's kind of what I was looking for. And I feel like this is in an older type. It's just, they were probably just trying to get this out of the shop. So they just put it on sale. So that's what that is. I do like Milwaukee stuff, except for a few things. But, this is definitely not it. This is not going to be replacing, well, it's not replacing anything, but again, it's not like going to be my everyday carry because it's not making anything more, better. So I'm going to stick to my DeWalt stuff or, unless I find something that's a lot smaller than this, like maybe half the size of this or half the weight of this at least, because the weight is massive. This is like way heavier than my whole 20 volt, DeWalt setup with maybe like a really big battery. You know what I mean? This is heavy. It's really, really heavy. It's not really practical for being, M12. You know what I mean? So terrible. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys want to, well, I can't really try this out because these are not going to be my tools anymore if I return it, but yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't help you with this, but there's probably going to be other, stuff. It's called One Key. If you guys want to, learn about this a little bit more, you guys can find that out, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.